am joined now with Judy White, a special education teacher at Stony Point North, one of many, here to kind of talk about how you have transitioned your students when it comes to virtual learning. Can you kind of tell me about what you guys are doing?
We are doing a daily Zoom meeting to do our morning circle, which encompasses calendar, social interaction skills, and fine and gross motor skills, all set to music. It's been such a joy to be able to see our kids, especially at this time.
You have about 8 students in that whole kindergarten through 5th grade. It is remarkable the things that you are doing with these students. You said you guys were kind of ready when this was coming. Talk about those steps that you took preparing them for where you guys are today.
Well, after watching the news and kind of thinking about what could be coming, my paras and I created totes for each student because my kids need a lot of hands-on learning. So we spent some time creating some materials, talking to our speech language pathologist and getting the correct communication devices and getting our iPads. So my students are able to access online and they're doing a terrific job of engaging in activities on Seesaw, but they still need to reinforce that with hands-on, tangible learning.
So watching some of your classroom instruction, there's a lot of music.
I try to use a lot of multimodal teaching and learning in my classroom, so auditory, visual, kinesthetic, and tactile learning. It just gives them a purposeful reason to want to move their bodies, to engage in the motions, to dance.
Did this online learning push you out of a comfort zone that you once had?
I was kind of terrified when I knew we were gonna go online because my kids need so much hands-on instruction, but I think my parents have done a great job reaching out to me. I have learned a lot. The professional development that the district has provided has been amazing. We're all kind of like teaching each other along the way, so it's been a really collaborative effort.
Oh, that is wonderful. Thank you so much, and thank you for all that you're doing for the students.
Thank you.